Unmute. Am I audible? Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, my all participants, students.
Good
Today
morning, sir.
As per Rupam sir has already told that today is our seminar on civil engineering in human shaping for civilization. We know about the civilization. What is civilization? Is the base of the era. It's the base of the society. It's the base of the development, and it is related to civil engineering. It's from the beginning of the era. It's civil engineering related to civilization. We all know that, and it's shaping the human civilization. Okay, now I start. Okay, now I start. What is civil engineering? Civil engineering is those are the shaping the human civilization, develop the nation, and connecting the people with we can say that with transportation or highways or dams or others for the civil structure. It's connecting to the people. From the ancient of the part, ancient temples, forts, two-story houses, bridges. We know about the flyover, skyscrapers, dams, and any other the man-made structure in civil engineering. Next, another one is we connect the people. We connect the people and enhance the economy by building highway, because we know that we construct, as a civil engineer, we construct a highway, dams, airports, and others in others part which is related to our economy. It is boost up our economy in our country. It's our state or other sectors. And last but not the least, we keep in mind that civil engineering is the mother of the all engineering. We know about the Bengal Engineering Science College, Shibpur. We know in the ancient times name is Civil Engineering College. That's why the all branches after first civil engineering, then branches are from the civil engineering. But the civil engineering is the mother of all engineering. Now, I want to focus some civil structure from the ancient part. I think you all know somebody knows about the structures. From the ancient structure, from the beginning, at the beginning, the pyramid, we know about the pyramid, Dilwara temples, Colosseum, Ellora temples, all are the ancient structure, and it is solely related to our civil engineering part, civil engineering structure, civil engineering concepts, civil engineering drawings, and others. Pyramids, it's a iconic and one of the seven wonders, one of the wonders. Dilwara temple, Colosseum, we know about the Colosseum in very maximum Hollywood movies. We will see that the Colosseum, Ellora temples. Then the early modern structure. Early modern structure in India, basically India, we also please unmute. Please mute microphone. Please mute microphone. Okay. And the early modern structure, we know about the in India, basically Taj Mahal. We all know about the Taj Mahal. We all know about the Charminar, Taj Mahal from Agra. We know Charminar from Hyderabad, and Buland Darwaza, Qutub Minar. These all the early modern structure, and these are solely related to civil engineering. If you don't know about the civil basic of the civil, then at that time it's unable to construct the Taj Mahal, unable to construct the Charminar, or unable to construct Buland Darwaza and Qutub Minar. These are the wonders, okay, and this is solely related to civil engineering. Now, after that, in late modern, this is a Hobart Dam. This is, we know about this Colorado River, and this is a dam, Hobart Dam from USA. And this is a common, this part is a common, this picture is a common for our North Bengal peoples or all over West Bengal also. This is Coronation Bridge, Sebok. I think most of us several times goes in Coronation Bridge or passes in Coronation Bridge. This is one of the wonders how the arts like how bridge construct this type of arts. This is those who are don't know about the civil engineering, they are the wonders how this type of shape, how this type of bridge, how it carry the load. But all are the, that's why we need to know about the civil engineering. We know about the civil engineering, how you construct this type of structure, how you construct this type of shape. And the next one is we know about the Victoria Memorial. And this is a pride of our West Bengal, Victoria Memorial. Most of the visitor visit Victoria Memorial when they visit in Kolkata. And last one is we also know the Kuch Bihar Rajbari. This is the also a big structure. It is solely related to civil engineering. Now the modern, Burj Khalifa, the highest building in our world. Next one is the Statue of Unity, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. We know the first Home Minister of our country, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and he is the most delivered or most person to construct a united India. Okay, and third one is the Mumbai only sea link. Mumbai only sea link. The beach is constructed on the seaway. Now think about, if you think about the civil engineering, just think about after the webinar, just think of how we construct on sea, how we construct a bridge on sea. Then I think my suggestion is you go to YouTube, but so you try to see the videos in YouTube how construct a bridge in a sea. Okay. Now today's some we know about the smart city from our central government project, smart cities. As an example, we can say that Bhopal, Indore, already 80% work has been completed. Smart city, nothing but a smart city means the most of the civil structure, means we can say flyover, suppose a skyscraper, flyover, metro, railway, expressway, ports. In this city, this city is beside the ocean area. That's why in the backside there will be port and metro railway. This is a water supply. This is a canal. This underground drainage, intelligent traffic system. Canal, we know about the canal. Those who are from Siliguri, or we know about the Gajaldova Tista Canal. That's one of the part of the civil engineering. Skyscraper, we know about the flyover. We know about the metro railway. Metro, we have a concept. The metro railway means underground railway. Not, this is wrong. In Kolkata, we observe that the metro railway, underground metro rail, but not the metro rail concept is not the underground railway. Due to the lack of the place or lack of the space, that at that time we construct government constructed in the metro railway underground the city. But that metro rail means those railway which just connect the metro cities. If the Siliguri is proposed to a metro city, then we can observe in future metro railways, port, underground drainage, intelligent traffic system. Intelligent traffic system means there will be a different traffic system. Suppose when your vehicle stop in front of the traffic, there will be a cam, webcam, or other intelligent device that will read your car, and in software that will be full details in office. There's a one type of intelligent traffic system. Okay. Now, BTech in civil engineering. You all know about the different engineering. That will be a electrical engineering, that will be a computer science engineering, that will be IT, information technology, electronics, civil engineering. Why civil engineering? Why we pursue civil engineering? Why we have interest in civil engineering? I try to focus some aspects or some branches in civil engineering. As a civil engineer, if you promote a civil engineer, then you have assigned work in different sectors. Some skyscraper, intelligent traffic system, water supply system. Now you have think about water supply system. When you get the drinking water in your home, suppose Siliguri, you think where the water come? It will be underground water, other systems, not different cities, different system. In our North Bengal or hilly area, there river water is available. At that cases, we treatment the river water in different stages. In Siliguri, there will be example in Fulbari water treatment plant. There will different stages: chlorination, trickling filter, different stage. After that, finally, it will be a drinking, and then it goes to a home. Okay, it is solely related to civil engineering. Then business complex, you know about the Vega Circle, Money Square, others. It's also complex. In Mumbai or Kolkata, there will be a 100-story building, 55-story building, 60-story building. This is solely related to civil engineering. If we don't know about the civil engineering, then we are unable to construct a business complex or shopping mall. Okay. Then canal system, I already said about canal system, Gajoldoba canal. There is a canal related to Tista Nodi. It's a sub canal from the Tista river. Okay. Then will be ports. You know about the ports, in dock, jetty, underground water, smart city, underground water. Now, BTech in civil engineering. Why? Some question we can arise that what are the lines after we completed the BTech in civil engineering? What are the branches? But where we can go in civil after the civil engineering? But what sector we give our influence, we use our knowledge in civil engineering? That will be a nuclear power sector. We know about the nuclear power plant, and different in India, different power sector, nuclear power. In Gujarat, there will be a Kakrapar, is a nuclear power plant. In agriculture field, we also goes in agriculture field. We also goes in artificial intelligence, earthquake engineering. We know about the earthquake engineering is very difficult or very threat in our modern era, because there will be a limitation, or there will be no indication before the earthquake. That's why sine wave. That's why this sine wave just directly hit the foundation level of the building. That's why the building will be collapsed, roofs will be collapsed, and many casualties will be formed. And from the earthquake, there's a tsunami or others. That's earthquake. We as a civil engineer, we can also resist. Or we can also try to minimize the casualties of the building during the earthquake. If we don't know about the whole of the scenario of the civil engineering, GIS, railway engineering, we know railway engineering, ocean technology, highway engineering, many. We know the highway is the main part. It is related to our civilization, related to our development. In government sector, in central government directly focus on highway. If you not focus on highway, then development can't. Okay, that's why developing our nation, developing our knowledge, that's the highway engineering, bridge engineer, structural engineer, and the aeronautics. We know about the aeronautics. Now, see, if we complete our graduation in civil engineering, there will be a fourth sector: private, government, private sector. We can go about the private sector, we can go about the government sector. 4 lines, 4 branches open. 4 branches open. This depends on us. Which line we can choose. We can choose private, we can choose government, we can choose higher studies, we can choose entrepreneurship, private sector. There were lots of the companies in private sector. You can go in from the private civil to others, code, TCS, Infosys. Government sector, there will be 2 central government, state jobs. Central government is the Airport Authority of India, NPCIL, ONGC. There's a PSU, is a Navaratna. There were 3 types. PSU is 3 types: Navaratna, Miniratna, Navaratna, and Maharatna. That is a Navaratna. ONGC, Indian Oil, these are Navaratna companies. Okay, HPCL, Coal India, and state government also. West Bengal PSC, Gajoldova Corporation, our Siliguri Municipal Corporation, our all other the health, Jila Parishad, Manrega, electricity, ACDCL. Higher study also you can pursue in your MTech or MS in abroad. In our S.I.T, in our civil branch, there are lots of students goes in abroad. Okay, someone in USA, some USA, someone in Europe, someone in Singapore, and they pursuing their masters in abroad. You can pursue your masters in IIT or NIT from the civil engineering. Okay, then entrepreneurship is solely related to a business or startup. You can grow up a farm, company. You can grow up a company, a farm, and you can serve your society. You can serve, or you can create a job for the new people. Okay, that's the entrepreneurship. Okay, that's the 4 sectors. Yes. Now, BTech in civil engineering and Siliguri Institute of Technology. Why? In my post, I am a assistant professor from Siliguri Institute of Technology and head of the department from civil engineering department in Siliguri Institute of Technology. That's why my perspective, my view. Why, if anybody choose S.I.T in a civil engineering, why? What are the parameters? And try to focus on that. S.I.T has a NAC accredited. NAC means National Assessment and Accreditation Council. It is from the central government. Okay, and it is another thing is the oldest private engineering college in Northeast India. It's the oldest private engineering college in Northeast India. We have experienced and quality faculties, highly modern equipped laboratories. We have a modern laboratories. We have a new modern softwares. That's where civil engineering, the Plexis or AutoCAD, StatPro designs of they're different software. Someone think that the civil engineering, sir, it's a work in a site. No, not the work in a site. If we are civil engineering, we can focus on software field also. Okay, that's why in software also we can focus on software also. We have a different academic clubs, cultural clubs, sports hub, and in academic calendar in a semester we visit industrial visit, different site, different beaches, or different sector. Means our main aim to gather the knowledge from the practical field to deliver to our students. That's why industrial visit, private sectors, and others. This is our academic calendars. And another thing, we have a collaboration with NHAI. Our institute has a collaboration, National Highway Authority of India. Okay, this is a central government. You know about the NHAI, National Highway Authority of India. We have our institute have a collaboration with NHAI. Okay, that's a big advantage to pursue or deliver the knowledge to our students. Now the scholarship from the engineering student, you can search in any website. These are the scholarship. State, I focus on state. That's the central government also. There are different scholarship. you can search in any site, the West Bengal Chief Minister Namanna Scholarship, Swami Vivekananda Scholarship. If you pursue your engineering, then you can get the scholarship. And now our Chief Minister, you know about the credit card system. There is a help for financial help to those students who are pursue their education in engineering sector. You can search different and our institute help you, or we also help you for this scholarship also. Now, how we take care of the students when they enter in our first year? First, mentoring. Mentoring means each student has assigned each teacher or faculty for different health issues, academic issues, and others. Then in teaching part, we have a competition or gate classes in regular basis. We have a doubt clearing class. We have a modern software related class. We have industrial training class in teaching part. Then career counseling, we have focus on career counseling, in which sector you want to go, in private, government, higher studies, grooming and curriculum, sports or others. We are take care by these 5 to our students or monitor our students. Now, some of the research paper published by our respective faculties in the whole world basis, some of the research paper and books. Okay. And in research in our laboratory, they are engaged in research work also. And these are the research work in our in any website. You can see the paper, how they work, how their result in civil engineering field, how the new innovation in civil engineering field. And year-wise, this is statics, that this is our private job, this one for the private job, this one for the government job, this one for the higher studies, and this one for the startup. These are the after 2020, they said these are the graphic representation. For private sector 62%, for higher studies 14%, 10% for the startup, and 4% for the business. And these are the, and 2019 there will be 70%. These are the graphs in our alumni statistics, in our engineering, in our background field. Okay, these are the laboratories. These are the different laboratories. Okay. Some glimpse for the survey lab. This survey lab conducted by our beloved students from 3rd year. Okay. These are the industrial visit. We in hill area, we visit different sectors. In Siliguri also, we industrial visit to grow the knowledge in practical field also. These are the departmental newsletter in online basis, because in corona time there will be no for the physical. That's in corona's time, that is our online newsletter. These are the extra curriculum activity glimpses. Our student engages different field in holy or play or others ground in different sector. These are the glimpses of our students. Some students in higher studies, Abhishek Roy in 2021 recent anyway Singapore. This is one of the third best college in National University of Singapore. Structure part, pursue the masters. This is the third best engineering college in the world. And 2020 project in NIT Calicut. There's a different IIT Bombay. They pursue the higher studies in IITs or NIT or other sectors also. These are the some of our some notable alumni. Someone from USA, some in DCIL, railway, national highway, electricity company, LNT. These are the notable alumni. Okay. This also. These are the civil engineering companies. You know someone, I think someone you know about the Simplex, Punchloyd, SCC, Dalmia. Okay. And now these are the question and answer round. I hand over the mic to Professor Rupam Datta. Thank you, Rupam, for giving me the opportunities.
Okay, participants, thank you, Mahadev sir, for a wonderful briefing about the webinar and today's topic. Now I would be having questions. I am requesting all the participants, if you have any doubts regarding today's overview about the particular civil engineering stream, you can ask me directly. And I also asked you to write down your queries in the chat box also. And in the screen, you can see the contact information is also provided of Mahadev sir and also myself. If there is any further queries, you can directly call us or mail us regarding anything you want to know about. And if you have any questions, you can directly ask me now.
Please, my dear student, feel free to ask question. My dear student, feel free to ask question. Okay, this is our webinar and this is our career counseling also. You can ask any question. If you have any question, if you arise any question, you can say, feel free to ask. Okay, nothing others way. Okay, please feel free to ask.
Okay. I again want to thank Mahadev sir for a great briefing about our stream civil engineering, and I want to thank all the participants who have joined this meeting, joined this webinar. And again, I want to thank our honorable principal sir for joining us and giving us the opportunity to guide the participants, the aspirants, for their better future. And again, our honorable MD sir, Satyam Rai Chaudhary sir, for giving us the opportunity and organizing such a wonderful online series. I hope there will be other series also to guide the aspirants to for a better future prospect, or to guide them to show them different aspects of their careers after completion of the 12th exam. They will be choosing. Yes, Pushpita, do you have any doubt? Okay, Pushpita is asking, is Siliguri suitable for metro? Definitely, Pushpita. Siliguri is obviously suitable for metro, but you see, the metro connectivity is needed when the population is huge and the conveyance or the transportation system is not up to that mark to serve the total community. Okay, so to choose a metro system, it's a $1 million project. So to choose a metro system, first of all, there are several prospects or parameters we need to assess. Okay, the population, the number of population that the metro will be serving, the existing transportation facilities. So to calculate, to compiling all the prospects, we can then only choose for metro. And for that matter, Siliguri is also obviously eligible for metro. Yes, sir.
I try to interrupt. I give a information to Pushpita. Okay. Pushpita, Siliguri itself a project, smart city project in central government. I think it will be later or some years back. When the Siliguri in a metro, when the work in metro city will be start, then the metro definitely metro from the, I think, Bagdogra. The plan is Bagdogra to NGP. There will be metro and flyovers and others, and the plan is the Bagdogra to NGP. There will be metro. Okay, continue.
Okay, sir. We are just about to finish this webinar. Okay, so I again want to thank everyone for joining this webinar. And now we'll be ending this session. So I wish all of you a great future. And if there is any further queries, the numbers are still provided. You can write down those numbers and you can ask your query. Thank you all for joining this session. Thank you.